Hello friends, it's Jamie here with the Simple Organized Erin Condren Planner Facebook group on Facebook, obviously, and the blog milkallergymom.com. Today we are on day 2 of sharing some simple tips and tricks for functional hacks with your new 2020 planner. Yesterday we talked about pockets, and today I want to just keep moving forward in the 2020 planner and show you a few things that I am going to change up for this year and something else that I'm going to keep because I have loved this system for about 5 years now. So as we move to the first page of the planner, I have always grabbed the sticky note dashboard that you can get extra at Erin Condren. If I don't like the new design for the year, I just grab the one that's my favorite. But you guys, the new one is definitely right up my alley. I love white space, loving this new to-do list. The one that I'm probably will use the least is this little tab. So if you've got any ideas, leave a comment and let me know. But I love this dashboard. I'm going to center it right here, right in front of the vellum. And I'm going to have it at the front of my planner this year. Last year I had it at the back and I felt like I was digging for it all the time. So I literally want it right after my cover. You guys, I go through every sticky note by the end of the year. And actually one dashboard is about enough for me. So I really love this. If you're grabbing any accessories, this is one of my favorites. And again, I think the white space is going to be really handy. The next sheet, you'll have your vellum and something else that I should get lots of praise for. For the first time ever, I wrote out my name in pencil first, so I didn't have a hot mess and not be centered and all that good stuff. So I did write my name in pencil. You guys, this is like the most exciting part about your planner. It's all yours. It's your life, and putting our name in it is super special. I know some people use stickers because they don't want to write, but I did use a pencil first, and I'm pretty happy with my sloppy double-lined name. So let us know how you write your name in your planner. I would love to hear. The next page is inspiration, and the last thing we're going to talk about today in these quick tips is how I use the 2019-2020, the year layout. My favorite has always been to mark our paydays for my husband, the guy with the real job in our family. I mark his paydays, and one of my favorite tools now, I have circled them before, that works. Use a highlighter, that works. I have purchased these from Erin Condren, the little see-through circles, and they're lasting me forever because I don't use them that often. But since I had them on hand, I went ahead and marked paydays that way. And if I can get a little personal here, the other thing that I always use this spread for, and I will continue to use, is, how do I say this? To track my cycles as a woman, because as I'm getting older, here in my 40s, I'm starting to realize hormones play a big part in how I'm feeling, and just physically, emotionally, and it is a great idea to keep track, just not so you're not surprised, but just so you can understand the way that you are feeling and why things are just going haywire in your life that week. So I love to track. I've done that. This is my planner from last year. You can see the lines, just kind of tracking those things. That's what I love using mine for. Leave a comment. Hey, Ashley, good to see you. Leave a comment. Let me know how you use your yearly layout, and I am going to stop there for today. Tomorrow we'll be back with another video as we move through the planner, and I just show you the different ways I'm setting mine up, and hopefully you will find some good functional hacks, tips, ideas, whatever you want to call it, for your new 2020 Erin Condren planner too. And if you haven't gotten one yet, let us know. We can help you get $10 off, because this is definitely my favorite planner, and this is the 5th year I will be in it, and I hope to have a fun year with you guys as we keep our lives organized and intentional. And yeah, just love this planner, and I know a lot of you guys do too. So be back tomorrow for another tip. We hope you guys have a good one. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.